Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, Tracy here with Keeper of the Home at 4D Farms. Y'all, today I am just fixing to whip up just some quick granola. Not granola bars, but granola toasted up to sprinkle on yogurt and things like that. It's just 4 simple ingredients, y'all. And I'm going to toast this up in the air fryer. So, if y'all are interested, come with me to the kitchen and let's get started. All right, y'all, this is extremely simple. 4 little ingredients. You're going to take some oats. I want to make sure I have enough, but give me some stirring room just to make sure. All right, we're going to put our brown sugar in here. Y'all, I just like a little sweetness in my granola. Just a little brown sugar, just enough to give it just a little sweetness. And when this melts, y'all, this is going to toast this up really good. You need something sticky. I got the sugar-free so my husband can enjoy this too. He can do brown sugar. He just cannot do regular sugar. So you want your stickiness. You're going to want all this to stick. Okay. And this is going to go good with just a creamy peanut butter, y'all. So we're just going to take this and get about that much, maybe a little more. Okay, we are just going to give this a stir, y'all. This is not going to be granola bars. This is just granola, okay? You want it loose. You don't want it to come together. You want it loose, okay? So you're not going to be packing this. So we're just going to give this a stir till it gets all loose. I want the syrup and the peanut butter to kind of like, to kind of like coat all of the granola. So I'm going to keep stirring this and make sure it's all well combined. I want every oat flake covered with peanut butter and the syrup, okay? But it's not going to be hard packed together. This is going to be loose. So, 4 little ingredients, y'all. Let me finish stirring this. All right, y'all. I've got this all stirred up. Y'all see how it's still kind of loose. And this is what we're going to do. I don't want to pack it in my air fryer basket, but I do kind of want to spread it out. Line your air fryer basket with some parchment paper. Y'all, let me create some room here. Line your air fryer basket with some parchment paper. And I'm just going to sprinkle this over in here. Like this. I don't want it all clumpy. Okay. Just make sure it's sprinkling. I'm not going to pack it. I'm just going to fluff it out in my basket. Okay. Now, we don't want to cook this. We just want it to get toasted, okay? I'm going to do like 325 because like I said, I don't want to toast it. I'm going to do 325 for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to be shaking. I'm going to open it up every few minutes, shake it, kind of loosen it up, and just toast it, okay? After 10 minutes, I'm going to check it to see if it's the consistency that I want or to see if it's toasty enough, and we'll just play with it and check on it. So, 325. I'm going to have to clean my hands. Make sure this is not, if you've got any edges sticking up, make sure they're turned down so you don't get it up on the element of your air fryer up here, or it'll start catching on fire. So it's all tucked in. Now I'm going to do, let me go down to 10 minutes first, then we're going to go down to 325, and we're going to start there, okay? All right, y'all, it's been 10 minutes. I am going to shake And I'm just going to, I'm going to feel to see, okay? It needs to be a little toastier. That's not as toasty as I like. It's getting there, but I want it a little more. So these bigger pieces that stuck together, I am going to crumble them up. Now, when you get ready to put this in your, I'm going to store this in a Ziploc bag, or you can put this in a bowl. And if you don't want it really pebbly, you can just keep crumbling it as it toasts, okay? So I got it there like that, like I want it. I'm going to toast it some more. All right, y'all. You see that? That took about 20 minutes in the air fryer. I just kept crumbling and toasting. Y'all, look at that. It's on top of a bed of Greek yogurt with some strawberries and toasted granola. Y'all enjoy.